Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to use HSTACK function with 3D references to consolidate data in a single sheet. As you know that HSTACK returns the array formed by appending each of the array argument in a column-wise fashion. And 3D references allow us to select data across different sheets at a time. So together they can be used to create a consolidated data sheet in a simple and easy manner. How we can do it? Let's learn.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
Here in this example, you can see that we have the data of the sales from different stores, right, starting from the branch 1 to 6 for the January, February, March and April. And we have already learned in the previous video that how to create a 3D reference, and the one thing that is very important to create the 3D reference is that the structure of the data should be similar, like the sales for the branch 1 should be present in the same cell across all the sheets, and similar is with the other branches also. So for example, if we want to consolidate all the data in this January data, so for this purpose, here in this cell, I will write equal and then write HSTACK bracket start, and first I will select the first sheet of the February. So I will click it and then I will press and hold the shift key and then select the first cell that I want to get, that is the C5 cell, and I want to get this data all the way to the C11 cell. And after selecting this range, I will select the last sheet, so I will click it. So in this way, in the formula you can see that we have selected the range from February to April, and then we have the range that is from the C5 to C11 cell. After this, I just need to close this bracket and press enter. So here you can see that all the data is fetched from different sheet using this HSTACK function. We just need to do some formatting changes. So I am selecting these columns, making them a bit wider. Selecting the formatting from the first cell, I will go to the Home tab, select the Format Painter and then apply it to the rest of the column headers and make them a little bit wider. Select this data and apply border to all of them. To add the dollar sign, I will select them, press Ctrl 1. To open the format cell, here I will go to the currency, select the dollar sign and then click OK. So you can see that we get the data of all the 4 months using this HSTACK function and 3D reference. But one thing that we have to remember is that each cell in this sheet is actually a formula. So any change in the February, March or April sheet, to avoid this, we will select this data and copy it using the command Ctrl C, and then I will make another sheet by going to this plus sign and clicking it, and here I will paste, but instead of a simple paste I will press this button and you can see that I will select only the values. So now this data is only the value. When I select any cell, it is giving me the number in the formula bar instead of a formula. So it means that it is changed to the values. So now any change in other sheet will not harm this data, and I can use this data to make any type of graph or any type of visual depiction that I want to use. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you next time.